Moby Dick. Ishmael was a sailor. He wanted to see the world. He got on a ship called the Pequod. The captain of the Pequod was Captain Ahab. He had only one leg. A great white whale took his other leg. The whale's name was Moby Dick. Captain Ahab hated Moby Dick. He wanted to find and kill Moby Dick. The ship sailed for a long time. They looked for Moby Dick. Captain Ahab thought only of the whale. One day, a sailor shouted, "There she blows!" It was Moby Dick. The whale was very big and white. Captain Ahab got into a small boat. He chased Moby Dick. The whale was fast. Starbuck was Captain Ahab's first mate. He was worried. He told Captain Ahab to stop, but Captain Ahab did not listen. Moby Dick hit the Pequod. The ship began to sink. Captain Ahab still chased the whale. Captain Ahab threw his harpoon. It hit Moby Dick. But the rope pulled Captain Ahab into the sea. He was gone. The Pequod sank. All the sailors were lost. Only Ishmael survived. He floated on a piece of wood. Another ship found him. What is this story really about? How does this story speak to you? The end.